Okay. Oh, okay. Now, good afternoon, students. In the previous lectures, we have started that. What is the CSS? What are the use of the CSS? How to apply CSS? Which are the selectors in the CSS? Okay. CSS. What is the use of the CSS? CSS. What is the use of the CSS? CSS stands for a cascading style sheet. It is used for a to manage the look and feel part of your web page. Means it is just concentration on a how to display the web pages to the users. Means suppose that how to display the web pages, like which color we are going to apply, what is the background color, what is the color of the text, what is the font family, in which text format we are going to display the text to the users, like this one. Means here we are going to apply this some styles on a HTML elements. Now, this is the basic syntax. First, we will write the selector name. That is, the selector name is the element name, maybe class selector, maybe ID selector, maybe group selector, maybe position selector. And after that, within the curly bracket, we will write the property name colon value, then write the semicolon, then we'll write the second property name colon second value, and so on. The declaration block may contain the one or more declaration, and if there are one or more declaration, then we'll separate these declarations by the semicolon. And each declaration may consist of the property and value, and these are separated by the colon. Now there are three ways to define the CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. How to write the inline CSS? Inline CSS will write within the particular HTML element's name. How to define this inline CSS? We will write the tag name, and then we'll write the style attribute is equal to write the property name colon value 1. Then if you want to add the another one property, then we'll write the second property name colon value 2, like this one. Means inline CSS means we are adding the style sheet within the tag, particular tag. म्हणजे जर आपल्याला inline CSS काय करणार आपण त्या tag मध्ये लिहिणार आहे. But you can see here the within the h1 we have written the style is equal to color is red, color colon red semicolon. Then we are applying the second property. Then we are just going to apply the second property, that is the text dash align colon center semicolon, like this one. Means here we are applying the style. Here we are applying the style on a elements. How to apply the style on element? Here we are written the h1 style is equal to color red, text align in the center, like this one. This is called as a inline CSS. Now next one, we have studied the internal CSS. How to write the internal CSS? There are some selectors in the internal CSS, like the element selector, class selector, ID selector, group selector, position selector, and attributes selector. Now we are just going to apply the element selector. The element selector select the elements based on the name of a elements. If you want to apply a style on a all p elements, which all elements with the p means paragraph elements with the text align center and color is red. This is called as a element selector. ID selector म्हणजे काय करणार आहे? Suppose that if you want to apply the style sheet on a particular elements with the ID is equal to para1. At that time, we will first we'll define the ID for this element, and then we will apply the style. How? First we'll write the hash character followed by the ID of this element, and then we will write the within the square bracket we will define the property name colon value 1. Then here you can see here is the paragraph, and we define the ID is the para1. Welcome to KIT. And here we are applied here the style sheet hash para1 color is red, means hash is indicating that the ID is the para1, and within the square bracket we have written the color colon red, like this one. This is called as a ID selector. Next one, yesterday we have also studied the class selector. Class selector क्या करना है? Suppose we want to apply the class selector. If you want to display the two or more paragraphs with the same style sheet means look and feel part of it, two or more paragraphs are the same, then we are defining the class of this one. Means here is the class selector element. Select the element which is having the specific class as class bits, and the elements to select the elements with a specific class, we are defining the dot of characters followed by the name of the class. Now I will just show you. You can see here. Just wait for 1 minute. क्लास सिलेक्टर आपण प्रिव्हियस लेक्चर मध्ये घेतलेला आहे. Where are the demos? I think now you can see here. I will show you what we have done in the previous lectures. आता इथे काय केलं बघा आपण, इथे ऍड काय घेतलाय पॅरावन, मीन्स वी आर इंडिकेटिंग दी this one is the yellow background. So you can see here we applied the hash para1 is equal to background color is the yellow. Means it is indicating that the hash indicating that the where is the para1, is there para1 ID is available? Yes. Then on this element you should apply the background color is the yellow. Then what you are written here, the dot imp dot indicating the search for a class attribute with the value is the imp. Is there any attributes with the class value is the imp? Yes. This paragraph with the class value is the imp. This class with these elements with the class value is the imp. There is another one class with the value is the imp. म्हणजे हा काय सांगतोय, हॅश कॅरेक्टर सांगतोय काय, पॅरावन कोणाचा आयडिया आहे का? यस असेल तर त्याचा बॅकग्राऊंड कलर करा काय, येलो. नेक्स्ट वन डॉट ऑपरेटर काय सांगतोय, डॉट ऑपरेटर सांगतोय की आयएमपी क्लास कोणाचा आहे त्याचा बॅकग्राऊंड कलर करा काय, can. There are three elements. This one is the paragraph elements with the imp class. There is another paragraph elements with the imp class, and there is another h1 elements with the imp class. Then what will happen? It will apply the background color is the can. Now you can see here. I will show you. Yes, you can see here. These three elements are defined with the background color is the can. This HTML elements is display with the background color is the yellow. Yes, all of you understood this one? Yes, all of you understood this one? Yes, hello? Yes, okay. Now we will go ahead. Now ID selector, class selector is over. Now we will go to the next part, group selector. Okay. If you want to apply the same style sheet on a different element, then we will write the first element name, comma, second element, and then we will apply the style sheet, property name, colon, value is red, background color can, font size 25. I will show you. Just wait. Now I will write here the HTML. Here we are written the H1 is the group selector, and just we are going to apply this some style sheet. Suppose that we are just displaying the ordered list. First one is the H2. Ordered list, and here we are defining the OL, and then you are defining here the LI. Product 1, then we are defining the product 2, product 2. Okay, and then we are also here just going to define unordered list. Here we are just going to define unordered list. Then I will define here the UL. UL stands for unordered list. Inside this, I will going to add a list of items. Then I will add here the list one, list item one, list item one. Then I will add here the another li, list item two. आता secret test. Now you can see the group selector. I have I created the two list, ordered list and unordered list. Now I'm just going to apply the same style sheet on the ordered list as well as on the unordered list. What I will do, I will apply the style sheet. How? Where to define the style sheet? Internal style sheet. Where to define? Inside the head part. Okay, go to the head part and just write a style, and within the style we will define here the name of the item is LOL, comma UL. We are applying the OL and UL. So group selector UL वरती पण apply करणार आणि OL वरती सुद्धा. So we are written there the first one, we are written OL, comma UL, and we are just applying the color is green. Color is green and color is green. Font weight, font size is 30 pixel. Okay, next one, font weight, font family, font style, font style is italic. Okay, now you can see what will happen. It is applicable to the both UL and LI. Means here the product one, product two, list item one, list item two. It is applicable to the all one. I am just applying here font weight, font weight, font weight the 300 pixel. Font weight is border. Now you can see it is applicable. Same style sheet is applied on the ordered list as well as on the unordered list. What we have done here, how to apply? We have written the OL, comma UL, means it is indicating that the element name is UL, and if the element name is UL, then apply the color is green, font size is 30 pixel, font style is the italic, and font height is the bolder. And there are, you can see here is the OL list is available as well as the UL list is available. So all these properties are applied on the your ordered list and unordered list. This is called as a group selector. Means we are if you want to apply the same style sheet on the same we will also apply the another one H1 and H1 and H2 वरती पण apply करूया. H1 and H2 वरती apply H1 comma H2. We will apply the same style sheet on the this one is the color is can, CYN can. Now you can see what will happen there. We are applied the same style sheet on a heading 1 and heading 2 with color is the can. Now you can see what will happen. Here is the color of this one is the H1 is the can, color of this H2 is also can. Okay, all of you understood this one? Yes. Hello. Yes, all of you understood this one? Okay, thank you. Means we can apply the same style sheet on the different elements. Means if you want to apply the same style sheet on a different item, how to apply within the internal CSS, where to define the internal CSS? We will define the internal CSS inside the head part of your web page using the which tag? Style tag. Inside the style tag, we will write the first we will write the selector name, that is the H1 comma H2. This is the simple comma H1 comma H2. and after that we will write the curly bracket, and within this curly bracket we are specifying the property name is the color colon value is red. Then we will write the color is green, font size whatever we want. Now next one, position selector. If you to apply the style on elements based on the position of your element. Okay, now आता पोझिशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स वरती आपल्याला अप्लाय करायचं असेल तर काय करायचं चेक करा. हा, जस्ट वेट. आता सपोज मी तर ह्या याला एक क्लास लिहितोय. यू कॅन सी हिअर क्लास. inside the ordered list I am just going to write a one class. Name of this class is the list for list, for list, and I will define here the another one class here for a class for product. Okay. If I want to apply a particular color for a list of item 1, आता त्याच्यासाठी मी काय करतोय बघा. I will write here the okay, class 1 list class I have written here the list class. I have written here also list class. Now I am just going to apply here OL dot list class, list class, color is red. Now you can see here पोझिशन मध्ये आता काय सांगतो इथं ओएल आयटमच्या अंडर जिथं क्लास नेम काय आहे लिस्ट क्लास आहे तिथं काय करा. देर आर 2 लिस्ट क्लासेस. हिअर इज द क्लास इज ऑल्सो लिस्ट क्लास आणि हिअर इज द क्लास इज ऑल्सो लिस्ट क्लास. बट आय एम जस्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाय ओनली हायलाइटिंग द प्रोडक्ट 1. ह्या प्रोडक्ट 1 ला मला हायलाइट करायचं आहे. मग मी काय सांगतो इथं ओएलच्या अंडर ओएल आयटम कुठं आहे हिथं आहे. ओके, ओएल आयटमच्या अंडर कुठं क्लास लिस्ट क्लास आहे. यस देअर. then apply there the color is the red, but here is the this list class is available here, but this is inside the UL not inside the OL. so this is called as a position selector. म्हणजे पोझिशन सांगतोय काय ह्या क्लासची OL च्या अंडर जिथं लिस्ट क्लास आहे तिथं कलर काय करा रेड करा. this is called as a position selector. now you can see here the product 1 is displayed with the red color. yes, all of you understood this one. means you can see here to apply the style sheet on a HTML element based on the position of a element. आता इथे काय सांगतोय ड्यू च्या अंडर माय क्लास 1 असेल तिथं फॉन्ट साइज करा 20 पिक्सल आणि बॅकग्राऊंड कलर करा गोल्ड. अप्लाय द CSS on all HTML elements whose class is the my class 1 under the div tag. म्हणजे जिथं div tag च्या अंडर माय क्लास 1 असेल तिथं काय करा स्टाईल शीट अप्लाय करा. फॉन्ट साइज इज द 25 पिक्सल आणि बॅकग्राऊंड कलर इज द गोल्ड. मग आपलं पण इथं तसंच आहे. आपलं पण सेम काय आहे ह्या इथं पण लिस्ट ऑफ आयटम्स आहे पण ह्या प्रोडक्ट 2 ला रेड कलर येत नाही. ओनली डिफाइनिंग द रेड कलर फॉर ए प्रोडक्ट 1 बिकॉज वी आर डिफाइंड द क्लास लिस्ट क्लास inside this OL, and here we are written the OL space list class. means this one is indicating that the where the list class is appeared inside the OL tag to apply the color is red. yes, all of you understood this one. Position selector. yes, please put your answer in chat box. yes, all of you understood this one. Priyanka Talwar, Snehal, any other Omkar, Vaishnavi. okay, thank you. Any other else? Dhanasri More, Prithviraj, Vaishnavi, Rohan, Shivendra, Raviraj, Utkarsh Patil, Vedika, Vijay Krishnan, Komal, Pratik, Rohit, Karan Sinha. yes, all of you understood this one. How to apply the position selector. Okay. Now this is called as a position selector. Now we have studied that all these selector, which are the selectors we have studied. Element selector. Then we have studied. Please put your answers in chat box. Which selector you have studied? Everybody, please put your answer in chat box. Which selector? ID selector. Okay, good. Snehal, good. Rohan, okay, good. ID selector. Priyanka Talwar, position. Okay, Snehal, class selector. Okay, Neil is also class selector. Okay, thank you. Any other? Any other else? Okay, group selector is good. Good. Okay, good. Group selector, element selector, class selector, group selector, position selector. Okay, good. Good. Okay, good. Means we have studied the different selector. Okay, Omkar. Good. Okay, Rohan is also giving the all these answer. Okay, good. Thank you. Now we'll study the next one. Now today we'll study the how to apply the font family, how to apply the font style on a text. Now as well as opacity. Just wait. I will open. Okay. Hello. Please unmute yourself and please tell me. I need to go through the theoretical part or practical part. म्हणजे आपलं जे theory part practical oriented जास्त घेऊया का theoretical oriented? Yes. Yes. Priyanka is giving the answer is practical. Okay. Please put your answer in chat box. कारण मला theoretical parts म्हणजे जरा better वाटतं कारण तुम्हाला समजते काय होते काय नाही. You are seeing that what is happened. Yes, please put your answer in chat box. Other person, practical oriented जाऊया का theoretical oriented जाऊया? Please, other person, put your answer in chat box. कारण आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिकल लॅब असं सेपरेट नाही त्यामुळे मी इथूनच जाताना आता प्रॅक्टिकल ओरिएंटेड जातोय. Yes, okay, thank you. Most of the students giving the answer practical. Okay, okay, good, thank you. Okay. Now, okay. Now we will see the font family. Font family dot html. Okay, font family dot html. Now we will write this some font family. Here is the which are the font families are available. Okay. H2. This is Arial. This is Arial. Then H2. This is Helvetica. Now I will apply the font families on here. Now I will show you how to apply the font family. Now I will apply here for a ID Arial. Arial. Then I write here the ID Helvetica. Now I will write here the style within the STY style, and inside the style I will write the hash ID, how to apply ID. Before that I will show you how this text will be. This is Arial and this is Helvetica. This is the simple format. We are applying the some font family. Now you can see here I will apply the some font family. Hash ID is the Arial, and then we are applying here the font family. Font family is Arial. Then here we are written the hash. Arial झाल्यानंतर दुसरा कोणता आहे हेल्वेटिका. Helvetica. Then we are just going to apply the font family. Font family is the Helvetica. Okay, now I will show you. Okay. Yes, is this visible to you? You can see this is the before applying the class. This is before the applying the. Now I will before applying the font family, and this is after applying the font family. This is Arial text. This is the Helvetica. I will see the another one family, font family. Font family in CSS. We'll see the some values for a font families. Just wait. I will see the some font family values. Okay. I will see the sans serif. Sans serif. Other fantasy. I will use the fantasy. This is fantasy. This is fantasy. Now I am applying here the fantasy for this one. P tag with font family. With font family the fantasy. Okay. Yes, is this visible to you? Yes, these are the different font family. We applied here the Arial, Helvetica, Fantasy. These are the different properties we applied on a text. You can apply on the anyone. We applied here the heading to as well as on the paragraph tag. This is the fantasy tags. I will show in this one with the h3 tag, so it will be visible to you. You can see what is there. h3 किंवा z font size change करूया आपण. We'll see, just change the font size. Font size is the 35 pixel. Then you can say this is the fantasy. Means we can apply different font family on a HTML elements. Yes, all of you understood this one. Here is the which property we are using. Here we are in the font family colon value. There are some values like the Arial, Helvetica, Fantasy. There are so many fonts family are available. I will show you. You can go through the just W3 school. On the W3 school, there are so many options are available. Here is the serif font family, Times New Roman, Georgia, Garamond, then sans serif, Arial, Verendana, Helvetica, Monoscope, Cursive, Fantasy. I will apply here Cursive. Cursive पे apply करू शकतो आपण Cursive. I will show you just I'm just going to apply here the Cursive. You can see what will happen. I apply after the Cursive पे. This is the Cursive. Yes, this one is the Cursive. Now we are going to the next one property is that font family झाल्यानंतर आता font style. I will show you the font style. Font style. Font style.html. Font style.html. Now h1 font style. Font styles. This is normal text. This is normal text. This is normal text. This is italic text. This is italic text and this is oblique. This is oblique text. And here we are writing the id for this one is the id for this one is the n. Here we are applying the id for this one is the id for this one is the I, and id for this one is the O. Now I will apply here the style on the different elements. Style id hash n वरती अप्लाय करूया कोणती फॉन्ट फॅमिली. फॉन्ट आता फॉन्ट फॅमिली नाही, आता कोणतं तर फॉन्ट स्टाईल. यू कॅन शेअर दी फॉन्ट स्टाईल font dash style is equal to normal. Now we are applying here the hash I. सेकंड क्लास कुठला तर I क्लास आपण डिक्लेअर केलं नाही ना, दॅट्स वाय I is the id, hash I. Then you are just specifying the font style colon italic. Then here we are written this hash O. Font style is the italic. Then we are oblique here. Okay. Okay. Now you can see here. This is the now I will apply their B tag, so it will be visible to you. Otherwise, I will apply the H2 tag. Okay. This is normal text. This is the italic text, and this is the oblique text. How we are applying the font family? We are applying here the font family. This one is the normal, italic, and oblique. You can see here the what we are written. ह्याचा आयडी काय लिहिलाय तर n लिहिलाय. दॅट्स आय रिटर्न दिस हॅश n. जिथे n आहे नॉर्मलचं n लिहिलाय, इटॅलिकचा आहे आणि ऑब्लिकचं o. Font style is the normal, font style is the italic, font style is the oblique. Means we can apply the different font family and different font styles on your text. Yes, all of you understood this one? Yes. Hello. Now next one. Now next one we will see the image float. How to display the image along with the text. Suppose that I will just download the one image and then I will show you. Now I will show you the float property, new file. Control S, float property, float.html. I will show you what will happen using the float property. Just wait. Float. The float property specify how element should be float. Absolutely, position element ignores the float property. Just wait, I will show you. Float property. Then here I am just going to display the one image. How to display image? Which tag we will use to display image? Please tell me. Yes. Which tag we need to use for a to display the image? Yes. Anyone? Which tag is required to display the image on a web page? Please tell me. IMG. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. Rohit, Priyanka, good. Okay. Omkar is good. Okay. Image SRC is very good. Now we are using the which tag? Image, that is the img tag used along with the source. Now it is required to give the name of the image. Name of this image is the natural NAT or natural dot jpg. Okay. And we will also display the height. Height is equal to 400, and we are also specifying the width. Width is equal to 500. Okay, now we will see what will happen. Something is wrong. Just wait, I will see what is NATURL. There is the extension is only JPG, not JPG. I have given the extension is the JPEG. So I think that's why so matter will solve. Okay, this one is the image. Image is displayed here. Now I will add a one paragraph to show the something about the images. So I want to write the write a one paragraph something about the nature. Now I will write here the one paragraph P, and I will write this something here. Then you can see what will happen there. This text will be displayed after the image, but I want to display the text along with this image. I want to display this text with along with the image. There is a space is remaining. You can see right side of the image. There is some space is remaining. I want to display this paragraph along with the image. Image च्या बाजूला दिसला पाहिजे. So how I will use the one? I will use the one property. Name of this property is the float. Now I will write apply here the one property. You can see here style tag. Go to the inside the style tag, then write the tag name is the img, that is the element selector. Then I will write the float property. Float all. Sorry. Yes, is this visible to you? आता हे काय झालं बघा, हे फॉन्ट इमेजच्या साइडला टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले झाला का? Yes. Yes. This text is displayed along with the image. How? We apply the one property. Name of this property is the float. Float काय सांगतोय? तर image left hand side ला घ्या. Okay. This is telling that position of the image. Position of the image is the left. So right part is the remains, and whatever the coming in the next one, we need to add all these paragraph on the right hand side part. Okay. How to do? We have done this by using the float property. Is this float property tells image should be displayed at the right left side. This image is displayed at the left side, and this paragraph is displayed at the right side. Okay, we can also apply the आता हे justify पण करू शकतो आपण text. Now I will show you text align, justify. आता justify करतोय आपण. हे text align सुद्धा आता हे justify होऊन जाईल. चेक करा. You can see here. Sorry, this is applied on the image. We need to apply it on paragraph. Okay, paragraph वरती आपल्याला apply केलं पाहिजे ना. We need to apply it on paragraph. Text align, justify. This is the text is justified. Yes, all of you understood this one. How to apply the float property. What is use of a float property? What is use of a text align justify property? Now we will go to the next one property. आता opacity property use करा. What is of? I will first tell you what is use of a opacity property. Opacity effects in CSS. Opacity, CSS opacity, or it is called as also transparency. The opacity property specifies the opacity and transparency of an element. The opacity property can take the value from a 0.0 to 1.0. Lower value is 0.0, which is more transparent. Like if you are defining the opacity property 0.2, then it is just displaying like this one. If you are defining the opacity with the property 0.5, then it is just displaying like this one. And opacity 1, it is by default, means which is less transparent. Now we'll apply the opacity property on our image. आता opacity property apply करूया. Opacity is, now I am just going to apply the 0.5. Now you can see what will happen there. This image is transparent. हा आपली ट्रान्सपरंट झालेली आहे. नाव आय विल अप्लाय. आता याच्यावरती माऊस नेला तर ती इमेज क्लिअर दिसायला पाहिजे, असं आपण काहीतरी करूया. आता काय करायचं त्यासाठी इमेज टॅग देतो मी. I will apply here the image tag img. Then I am writing the one property that is hover. Hover म्हणजे काय सांगतोय? Hover property is indicating that if someone is moving the mouse over image, then we are writing the opacity is equal to 1.0. Something is wrong, just wait. Something is wrong, just wait. Yes. Now is this okay? Now पहिल्यांदा काय सांगतोय तर इमेजचा फ्लोट काय करा, लेफ्ट ठेवा आणि ओपेसिटी 0.5 ठेवा. नाव इफ इमेज ओव्हर म्हणजे काय सांगतो, इमेजवरती माऊस होवर केला तर त्याची ओपेसिटी बाय डिफॉल्ट किती करा, 1.0, म्हणजे क्लिअर इमेज दिसेल. नाव यू कॅन सी हिअर. तुम्हाला आपण जर माऊस त्याच्यावरती नेला तर काय होते बघा, इमेज यू कॅन सी व्हॉट विल हॅपन इफ यू आर मुव्हिंग द माऊस ओव्हर इमेज. then the hover property will be applicable automatically, that is the opacity becomes the 1.0. Yes, all of you understood this one, how we are changing the image effects. If you are moving the mouse over, then at that time the opacity becomes 1, and if you are moving the mouse away from this one, then what will happen, the opacity becomes 0.5. Yes, there are so lots of effects are available within the CSS. If you are doing well within the CSS, then lots of jobs are available for a front-end developer who are designing the websites well. जो कोणी वेबसाईट वेल डिझाईन करतो त्याच्यासाठी भरपूर जॉब अवेलेबल आहेत. इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग दी commands on a CSS and HTML, because you can do anything for a front end of a websites. At that time there are lots of jobs are available who are doing the well in HTML, CSS, and another one technology required. That's one technology is the AngularJS. If you are master in the HTML, CSS, and Spring one technology that the AngularJS, there are lots of jobs are available for a front-end developer. You can just type a front-end developer jobs for a HTML, CSS, and AngularJS. You can see there are list of jobs are available in the industry. Okay, these are the this is the required because everyone is going on a web pages or web application. That's why front-end is most important. You need to create a युजर फ्रेंडली जीआय. कारण काय तर युजर फ्रेंडली जीआय अवेलेबल असेल तरच सगळेजण त्याला ऍक्सेस करतात. कारण काय भरपूर जण सोशल मीडिया साईट केल्या, पण फेसबुक काय आहे तर फेसबुक जीआय इज दी युजर फ्रेंडली अँड मोस्ट अट्रॅक्टिव्ह अँड इजियर. दॅट्स वाय Facebook is popular than other social media sites. Same thing with the Gmail, because there are lots of uh, lots of companies are available for providing the freely email services, but Gmail is mostly mostly popular because GUI, that is the graphical user interface of this Gmail, is user friendly and attractive. So if you are designing your web pages very well, then you have more jobs. तुम्हाला भरपूर जॉब असतील. If you are command in CSS, then you will get the more jobs in the front end developer. Okay, now you can see here what will happen there. Image opacity property झाली, font family fonts झालेले आहे. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt till that, if you can ask me. जर याच्यामध्ये काही डाऊट असतील तर तुम्ही विचारू शकताय. आता जो बॉक्स प्रॉपर्टी आहे ती नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आपण घेणार आहे. जर याच्यामध्ये काही कोणाला डाऊट असतील, यू कॅन आस्क मी. Yes, sir, just wait. I will show you another one part is remaining. Just wait, don't leave meeting. Someone is remaining. I will show you user defined font. आता user defined font म्हणजे तुम्ही स्वतःचा फॉन्ट कसा यूज करायचा. Just I will show you. Just wait. Don't leave meeting. Suppose that if you want to apply your own font on a your web page, that at that time how to apply, I will just show you. You can see here. Okay, आता तो font आहे डाउनलोड करून ठेवला आहे. The font name is the Blackwood Castle. Okay, font name is the Blackwood Castle and font type is it true type font file, म्हणजे TTF फाईल असते ती. करेक्ट. मग ती फॉन्ट फाईल मी डाउनलोड करून घेतली. नंतर मी या माझ्या कोड मध्ये काय लिहिलंय चेक करा. यू कॅन सी व्हॉट आय हॅव रिटन इनसाइड दिस कोड. मी H1 टॅग लिहिलाय. बिफोर दॅट यू नीड टू सी फॉन्ट फेस @font face. मी फॉन्ट फॅमिलीला माझं फॉन्टचं नाव काही देऊ शकतोय. आय हॅव गिवन दी फॉन्ट नेम इज दी फॉन्ट फॅमिली नेम इज दी KIT. मी काय दिलेलं नाव दी KIT नाव दिलंय. फॉन्ट फॅमिली आय हॅव डिफाइंड दी फॉन्ट नेम इज दी KIT आणि त्याचा सोर्स काय दिलाय SRC सोर्स URL blackwoodcastle.ttf फाईल. कारण जे आपण डाउनलोड केलंय ते फाईलचं नाव द्यायचं आहे इथं. blackwoodcastle.ttf URL blackwoodcastle.eot हे त्याचा सोर्स दिला. नंतर जो डाउनलोड केलाय त्याचा तर सोर्स दिलाय SRC @font face. म्हणजे @font face कशासाठी आहे. यू नीड टू assign the name for your font. First you need to import your font in your web page and assign the one name. How to import @font face? Within this I have written the font family. I have given the name is the KIT. SRC is equal to URL blackwoodcastle.ttf. URL is the blackwoodcastle.eot. Then I'm just going to apply this font on a H1 element. H1 वरती font family कोणता अप्लाय करा KIT. आता H1 element मध्ये मी लिहिलंय H1 element style is the font size 45 pixel, background color is cyan आणि user defined font. आता user defined font वरती काय होते बघा. आता फर्स्ट वन आता KIT मी अप्लाय करत नाही. विदाउट KIT काय होतं चेक करा ना. आफ्टर KIT यू कॅन सी व्हॉट विल हॅपन देअर. आता हा युजर डिफाइंड फॉन्ट हा रेग्युलर H1 झाला. करेक्ट. दिस वन डिफाइंड एज अ रेग्युलर H1 हेडिंग. H1 आता इथे काय केलं आपण त्याची फॉन्ट साइज किती केलंय 45 पिक्सल. Background color can. Okay, well this one is the displayed, no problem. Okay, but if I applied the font H1 font family is the KIT. आता user defined font माझा कुठला आहे तर KIT. मी त्याच्यावरती KIT अप्लाय करतोय. Then you can see what will happen there. User defined font means this one is the which font applied there black KIT. KIT म्हणजे कोणता आहे तर blackwoodcastle.ttf means we can import our own fonts on our web page. Here how to import the our own font on our web page. First we are assigning the name @font face. We are assigning the font family name is the KIT. Source URL is equal to blackwoodcastle.ttf URL blackwoodcastle.eot. Here we are importing the font and we are giving the name is the KIT. After that we are applying the KIT on a H1 font family is the KIT. So this Blackwood Castle, that is the KIT is become applicable to the H1. So H1 will be displayed as a Blackwood Castle font family. Yes, all of you understood this one. How to apply user defined font on a text or on your web page. Yes, all of you understood this one. Okay, thank you Priyanka. Any other persons who are from the mechanical, electronic, civil, biotechnology, environment, ENTC. All of you understood this one? Production. There's some students from other departments. Yes, all of you understood this one? Okay. थँक्यू. तर आता हे काय जे मटेरियल आहे, ऑल दीज डेमो लेक्चर्स as well as जे डेमो आपण जे काही एक्झाम्पल्स क्रिएट करतोय आता इथं लेक्चरचे, ते सगळे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला याच्यावरती अवेलेबल आहेत. गुगल ड्राईव्हची लिंक मी आज एक शेअर केलंय व्हॉट्सअपवरती. तर त्या ड्राईव्ह वरती ऑल दीज मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल ऑन ए गुगल ड्राईव्ह. म्हणजे पीपीटी असू देत किंवा जे आपण डेमो एक्झाम्पल्स क्रिएट केले आहेत, हे डेमो प्रॅक्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, ऑल दीज एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, डेमोज लेक्चर्स, व्हिडिओ, all these available on Google Drive. So go through Google Drive. All these material is available on Google Drive. You can go there and download and see and study if you want. Okay, thank you all of you. Moodle will be ready within 2 days. I will enroll you for my course. Okay, thank you all of you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave meeting. Thank you. Thank you.